How to change clip position in Openshot. Changing the position of a clip on the timeline is simple but important for timing your video correctly. Click and drag the clip left or right to move it forward or backward in the timeline. Make sure you don't overlap it with other clips unless you want to create a transition or overlay. For precise positioning, zoom in on the timeline using the slider or the plus button near the bottom. If you want to move a clip between tracks, click and drag it up or down. This can help you layer clips for picture-in-picture or overlays. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard for fine-tuned movement once the clip is selected. Use snapping, which helps your clip automatically align with the edges of other clips or markers for perfect timing. What tricks do you use to organize your clips? Tell me about it in the comments below. And once you are done, make sure to save your project to keep all your changes safe. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.